Marketing agencies and SaaS business owners, are you tired of struggling to stand out in a crowded market? Your marketing agency or SaaS business is facing fierce competition, and attracting new clients is becoming increasingly challenging. The future is here, and it is powered by artificial intelligence. Now is the time to evolve and adapt by offering cutting-edge AI solutions to your clients. If you're not seizing this opportunity,
you are making a big mistake.
SpeedToLead is your ticket to the AI revolution and the key to unlocking explosive growth. SpeedToLead's state-of-the-art conversational AI chatbot builder is powered by the same groundbreaking technology found in ChatGPT, providing your clients with cutting-edge, personalized interactions that will set you apart from the competition. With SpeedToLead, you can engage potential customers on their preferred platform, whether it's G&B chat, SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, or even email for unbeatable automation. But that's not all. SpeedToLead goes beyond basic chatbot functions by auto-booking appointments directly to your calendar, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. With real-time lead response and appointment booking on autopilot, SpeedToLead is like having your very own marketing team working around the clock, 24/7, 365 days a year. No vacations, no sick days, and no complaints. That's SpeedToLead, a team of marketing experts at your fingertips without the hassle or expense. SpeedToLead always responds within the crucial 5-minute golden window, maximizing lead conversion and boosting customer satisfaction. And with our easy-to-use chatbot builder, you can create your own personalized intelligent chatbots in minutes. No new skills are required. Setting up your chatbot is a breeze. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Quickly integrate SpeedToLead with Go High Level with just a few clicks. Fill out a 1-page form to configure your chatbot, then copy and paste your company's website URL, and SpeedToLead will automatically scrape your website to effortlessly train your chatbot on your company's information. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's time to unlock explosive growth and leave your competition in the dust. With SpeedToLead, you'll provide more value, acquire more customers, and retain more clients, all while staying at the cutting edge of the AI revolution. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to skyrocket your business with SpeedToLead. Start your 14-day free trial today and experience the future of lead engagement.